Have you ever walked into a room and felt like everyone was staring at you? Maybe you tripped, said something awkward, or messed up your hair, and suddenly it feels like the whole world is watching? Well, they're not. And today I'll explain the psychology behind why we think they are. Welcome to Growth by Millisecond, where we grow the mind, body, and wallet 1 millisecond at a time. Because every great thing takes time, and every second of growth counts. This is the spotlight effect, and once you understand it, your confidence will instantly level up. The spotlight effect is a psychological bias where we overestimate how much other people notice our appearance, mistakes, or behavior. We think we're under a giant spotlight, but in reality, everyone else is too busy thinking about their own spotlight. This happens because our brain focuses on our own thoughts, so we assume others do too. We're the center of our own experience, so we assume we're the center of everyone else's. We replay embarrassing moments in our heads way more than anyone else ever will. There's even a famous study where participants wore an embarrassing Barry Manilow t-shirt. They thought half the room noticed, but in reality, less than 25% did. The spotlight effect can make you avoid social situations, make small mistakes feel huge, increase anxiety and overthinking, and make you less confident in public. But here's the good news. Understanding this bias helps you break it. Here's how to escape the imaginary spotlight. Number 1, remember that people are busy. Most people are focused on their own thoughts, their own insecurities, and their own problems. When you realize that others rarely pay as much attention as you think, it takes the pressure off instantly. Number 2, reframe your thoughts. Instead of assuming everyone noticed your mistake, remind yourself that most people don't observe nearly as much as you imagine. By shifting your interpretation, you calm your mind and break the cycle of overthinking. Number 3, ask yourself, will this matter in a week? Most embarrassing moments fade faster than you think, and the people who saw them forget even faster. This question helps you zoom out and put things in perspective instead of reacting emotionally in the moment. Number 4, practice doing small, embarrassing things. Try harmless actions like wearing mismatched socks or asking a basic question in public. You'll quickly notice that no one reacts, proving that the spotlight you feel is mostly in their head. Understanding the spotlight effect is one of the fastest ways to build confidence. When you stop assuming everyone is watching you, you finally get the freedom to live how you want. You've been watching Growth by Millisecond, your space for psychology, health, fitness, and financial growth. Remember, real success doesn't happen overnight. It happens one choice, one action, 1 millisecond at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ways to grow smarter, stronger, and wealthier 1 millisecond at a time.